Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your USDT from your Phantom wallet. I'm going to show you all the steps you need. You will see it's very easy and quick process. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's jump into it. So as you can see, I'm right now inside my Phantom app on my mobile phone. There is no option for you to withdraw your crypto directly to your bank account from the Phantom app. In order to do that, you will need an additional app to move your cryptos from the Phantom app to the intermediate app, and then to convert those crypto into the currency you like, and then withdraw the currency to your bank account. I've tested dozens of apps, and the best I found that I use on a personal level, it's an app called Swissborg that you can see on the screen right now. It's a crypto app, very simple, very intuitive, and very secure. And that's one of the main criteria for me selecting a crypto app that allows me to withdraw any kind of currency from my cryptos into whatever bank account I can have in a very easy way. So I'm going to show you all the steps using the Swissborg app so you can follow along and withdraw your money. So the first thing you have to do is download the Swissborg app. I've added an affiliate link below this video that you can use if you want to support the channel, and that will actually unlock a bonus for you if you use it signing in Swissborg, which you will get a scratching ticket where you can win up to 50 euros, $50 for free. That will be credited to your Swissborg app, and that you can actually also withdraw to your bank account if you wish. So don't hesitate to use it. So if you click on the link, you will arrive to this page. Then just click on download app. You will be automatically redirected to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, depending on the mobile device you're using. And just download the Swissborg app. Then just open it. The signing process is really quick. It will just last a few minutes. You just need to add your personal information and the app will verify everything, and you will get access to your Swissborg account in a matter of minutes. Then once you're signed up on Swissborg, go back to your Phantom app, and the first step will be to transfer the cryptos from your Phantom app to the Swissborg app. In order to do so, you just have to convert every crypto that you have on your Phantom wallet into one. So it's easier for you to transfer all these cryptos at once. On the Phantom app, there is multiple blockchains. There is the Solana blockchain, the Ethereum blockchain, the Base blockchain, the Sui blockchain, and the Polygon blockchain. So depending on the cryptos you have on each blockchain, I will recommend to convert all the cryptos you have into the main crypto of this blockchain. For instance, on the Solana blockchain, the main crypto is Solana. On the Ethereum blockchain, the main crypto is Ethereum. It's really that simple. And to see which blockchains your cryptos are in, you can see those white icons next to at the bottom right of the cryptos icon that will tell you which blockchain they're in. So for instance, these USDC are in the Solana blockchain. And in order to convert a crypto in the Phantom app, you just need to click on it. For instance, I will do it with my USDC on my Solana blockchain. Then you will find this swap option that you can click on. Then you just have to put the crypto on the top that you want to transfer, and in the bottom, the crypto you want to be transferred in. Then just select the amount you want to convert and click on swap now. And that's it. My USDC were converted into Solanas. And then to send those Solana into the Swissborg app, you have to click on send, then select Solanas. Then you have to paste the crypto address you want to send this Solana to. So just go back to your Swissborg app like this, select portfolio, then click on deposit, crypto transfer, search for the crypto you want. So we want Solana for this example. Be sure to use the crypto in the same blockchain that you want to send the crypto with. So then you will find this Solana deposit address that you just want to copy. Then go back to the Phantom app, allow paste if asked, and then just paste the crypto address. Then click on next, write the number of Solanas you want to transfer, then click on next, and just click on send. And then the Solanas will just be transferred to the Swissborg app. Then simply go back to the Swissborg app. You will receive a notification when your Solanas arrive in the Swissborg app, like you can see here. It will take only a couple of minutes. It's very quick. Then go back to portfolio on the bottom left, then scroll where you can see Solana. They're right there. Then click on it. Now the next step is to convert those Solana into the currency you want. So it can be either dollars, it can be euros if you live in Europe, etc. So I'm just gonna swap them into Swiss francs as I live in Switzerland in Europe, but you can do the same with US dollar if you live in the US, or Canadian dollar if you live in Canada, etc., or even euros if you live in Europe, as I said. The process is the same. So just click on the currency you want, then select the amount of Solanas you want to convert into this currency, then click on confirm. In a couple of seconds, the swap will be made. So that's it. I have my currency Swiss francs. And then simply on the bottom right, you will see a withdraw icon. Just click on it. Now you will have to add your bank account information. Just click on it. Select the country you live in or where your bank account is based off. And then simply put the bank account information. And then when you come back, you can simply select the bank account you've just registered and click on withdraw to this account. Then select the amount of the currency you'd like to withdraw, and then you will just have to confirm. There is a small fee, about $5, 5 euros or 5 Swiss francs, depending on the currency you've chosen. So try to withdraw a large amount of money, not just like $10 because it will not be worth it, but it's actually really, really cheap compared to other options there's out there. So we're actually very lucky with the Swissborg app. And then just click on confirm. Usually you will receive your money to your bank account in a couple of hours, depending on your bank account. And sometimes if you do it on the weekend, it will maybe take 1 or 2 days for the money to arrive. And that's pretty much it. So you see, it's really that simple. Don't hesitate to write me if you have any question in the comments, and I see you for the next one. Take care. Bye.